Dumelang Botswana. From the beautiful land of Mahalapye, I am Thetele. I'm currently an undergraduate in Health Information Management, set to graduate with bachelor's degree October this year. One thing that I want people to remember me with is that I am a woman who leads with purpose. I do believe that beauty can open a door, but character, service, and compassion leaves an everlasting impact. If my journey can inspire even one person to believe in themselves, then that is the impact and that is the legacy I want to leave behind. As Miss Universe Botswana 2027, I want to use this platform to amplify Soposengwe. This is my initiative dedicated to celebrate talents of people living with disability. People do look at disability with an eye of limitation rather than potential. I want to change this narrative by creating a space where talent is celebrated regardless of their abilities. One thing that makes my story unique is that I see potential where people see limitation. My journey have taught me that leadership is by creating opportunities that let everyone shine. I want to be remembered by the voice I used that ensures that everyone, regardless of their ability, is seen and heard. Thank you.